Welcome back to the Magic of Mayhem. Today, tip number 1. Tip number 1, although it's very simple, just start, is one of the hardest to follow through. You're pretty much exposing yourself out there. You're putting yourself out there. There's no easy way to do this. You just have to start. Start with family, start with friends, because there's going to be your biggest support. And that's what you need when you start out, because you're going to be pretty bad. And when you're pretty bad and you show them a trick, pick a card, any card, any card. Okay, that card right there, memorize that, don't forget it. Was this your card? Yeah. You have to start somewhere. So family and friends are your big support. When you mess up in front of family and friends, it's okay. They're there to give you moral support. The point is though, is that if you do goof up or mess up a trick, just go back, learn from your mistakes, show them again, and then show them you can do it. Eventually it'll come to the point where you just go out there, you'll practice a trick, you'll go out there, and then you'll show it to your family and friends, and you'll get it right every single time. The point is, get started, but don't give up. So when I started out, I had shown it to my family. Then my friends would come over and they find out that I was getting started in magic, and they asked me to do tricks for them. I was too embarrassed because I knew I think I was ready. I just didn't have the confidence level there. So family and friends, just do it. That's the best advice I can give you, is just start. You're going to be bad, and that's okay. You have the right to go ahead and be bad because you're bad. But you got to be bad somewhere. And there's no better place to be bad than in front of family and friends. So when friends see me perform now, they're pretty impressed with what I can do. Took a long time to get there, but they knew me when I was that guy that couldn't find a card for them, or I screwed something up, or I was bad. But in order to be good, you have to be bad. In order to be bad, you have to just start. So you just start, you're gonna be bad, and eventually you're gonna be good. And eventually, if you keep up with it and you build up your confidence, you're gonna be great. And that's what it's all about. As long as you're having fun, your audience is having fun, and people will want to have you there. Make them feel good. That's what it's all about. Hopefully these tips will help you progressing through life. And I know I probably missed a whole lot. These are just my top 5. If you got something that you want to add to it, put it down in the comments. I always read the comments, and I want to make sure I'm on top of everything. So hopefully that helps you guys. Remember, just start. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Be sure to share it with your friends. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe. And remember, keep it amazing.